Oh, so what'd you do today at Bita's house? Huh? Did you get to play with your cousins? No, and then you came home. You came home and you showered, huh? You took a big bath. Yeah, I hate those. You don't like those hiccups, huh? Hmm? Oh, okay. Like a little forget. I don't know what that means. Huh? What are you trying to say? What you trying to say?